About 10 days ago, I retired very late. I soon began to dream. I heard subdued sobs, as if a number of people were weeping. I thought I left my bed and wandered downstairs. I went from room to room, no living person was in sight, but the same mournful sounds of distress met me as I passed along. Determined to find the cause of a state of things so mysterious and so shocking, I kept on until I arrived at the east room, which I entered. There I met with a sickening surprise. Before me rested a corpse wrapped in funeral vestments. "Who is dead in the White House?" I demanded of the soldiers. "The President," was his answer. "He was killed by an assassin."
Good afternoon, Mr. Assistant President.
Thank you, Major Rathbone.
I'm Charles Leo. I heard what happened. Let me in.
Please come in. One moment, the door is jammed. Please, right this way. The
Please,
president's
I
been
don't
shot. Doctor, how is he?
The wound is mortal. It is impossible for him to recover. Nevertheless, he must be moved. Let's get him out of here.
Hello, Mr. Booth. Is the deed done?
Yes, the president is dead. Hello, Mr. Mudd.
You can only stay here a few days.
That's
What?
all I'll need. The deed is done.
Hello. I'm sorry if this is a bad time, but I've come with medicine for your father. I'm with the doctor.
Please, come in.
Sir? Sir! Excuse me, sir!
Be quiet. Do you want to wake your father?
I'm mad! I'm mad! I'm not dead. Call the doctor. Close the house.
Bring him in here!
Someone, please take this woman out of here. Do not let her in here again. Now he belongs to the ages.
Was John Wilkes Booth?
It was John Wilkes Booth! It was John Wilkes Booth!
It was John Wilkes Booth.
John Wilkes Booth! All available Union soldiers after Booth. Booth, get out of the barn! We are going to burn it down!
Get out! Ah!
Never! Okay, I give up. I surrender.
country.
This is what you'll get. This is what you'll get when you mess with us.